Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a perfect samosa sheet in two ways. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredient, you're going to need 3 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1.5 cup of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix the two ingredients very well. Then followed by 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and continue mixing. Then you're going to pour 1.5 cup of warm water. Pour slowly by slowly while mixing till you get a dough. Once you get a dough, knead the dough till it's super soft. Then afterwards, put the dough in the kneading bowl and cover for 5 minutes to rest. And after 5 minutes of rest, remove the dough and divide the dough into 12 tiny doughs. After getting these tiny doughs, sprinkle some flour so that the doughs don't stick at the bottom. Then afterwards, take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour and then roll it out into a small circle as you can see in the video. I'm going to roll out about 5 to 6 dough. Then afterwards, I'm going to pile them together using some flour and some oil. Once you're done rolling out the dough, take one circle at a time, spread some oil and flour on top, and then attach them together to make a pile. I've made a pile of 5 circles and then sprinkle enough flour on both sides as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, you're going to roll it out into a thin big circle. Make sure you've sprinkled enough flour so that you can roll it out easily. If your pan is too small like mine, flip the pan upside down, then place the sheets and make sure your pan is hot before placing the sheet on top and cook for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip the sheet on the other side and cook for another 30 seconds, then your sheet is ready. Your samosa sheet is ready and remove it from the pan and place it on a working place. Using a cutter or a knife, I'm going to cut the ends so that the sheets can be evenly in a square shape. Once you have this shape, cut the sheet into 3 vertical lines. Then afterwards, remove the sheets gently to avoid from ripping them. Note: make sure you remove the sheets when they are hot so that they can come out easily and fast. And this is the second technique. You're going to pile 6 sheets and roll it out into a thin big circle. Once you're done rolling out, take it gently and place on a baking tray and put in a preheated oven to bake till the upper parts puff out or rise up. Once your sheet rise up like this, then your sheet is ready and remove it immediately from the oven. Then afterwards, take your cutter or knife and cut the ends to make the sheets evenly. And then repeat the same process by cutting the sheet vertically. Once you're done cutting them vertically, remove them gently to avoid from ripping them. So as you can see in the video, most of the time the upper sheet tends to be dry and it starts to rip out by itself, but you don't have to worry about that. And my samosa sheets are ready. As you can see in the video, look how soft and thin the samosa sheets looks. And my samosa sheets are ready, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to show you how to fold the samosa using these sheets. In folding the samosa, you're going to need your meat filling or vegetable filling, that's up to you, and you're also going to need a flour paste. In folding a samosa, you're going to take about 2 to 3 sheets. Then make a triangular shape. Then afterwards, fill the meat filling and then close your samosa, and at the end, attach it again using a flour paste. Then your samosa is ready and continue with the rest. I'm going to do for the second time so you can able to understand. Take 2 of the sheets, attach them together using a flour paste, Then make a triangular shape. Then add the meat filling and then fold your samosa. And at the end, attach it using a flour paste. The recipe on how to make this meat filling of samosa is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check it out. And my samosas are ready, as you can see in the video. You can fry them immediately or you can put them in the freezer to fry them another time and enjoy your samosa. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.